Need a quick, wholesome breakfast or snack? These banana walnut oat protein muffins are easy to make and packed with flavor. It's packed with nutrients, healthy fats, and no added sugar. These muffins will help fuel your morning and not leave you feeling sluggish throughout the day. Here's the recipe. Start with a bowl to mix all of the wet ingredients in. Add 3 medium ripe bananas. Really ripe bananas are highly recommended for this recipe since there's no added sugar in this recipe. Use a fork to mash your bananas until it becomes a puree. Once you're done mashing, crack open and add 2 large eggs into the bowl. Add half a cup of unsweetened applesauce and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix all of your wet ingredients together. Take out another bowl to mix your dry ingredients in. I already have 2 cups of oat flour here in this bowl. Add half a cup or 2 scoops of protein powder. I'm using vanilla whey here. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Add a pinch of salt. Finally, add half a cup of chopped walnuts. Mix all of your dry ingredients together. After you're done mixing your dry ingredients, pour your wet mixture in and carefully combine everything together. Preheat your oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Take out your muffin tin. I'm using paper liners here, but you can use silicone or no muffin cups if you want. Spray your muffin cups with non-stick cooking spray and then add about 3/4 of your mixture into each cup. You don't want to add more than 3/4 cup as it will likely spill over or be undercooked. Trust me, I learned that the hard way. I was able to make 18 muffins in this recipe. Bake your muffins on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. After 25 to 30 minutes, check to ensure your muffins are firm and then remove them from the oven. Then you're set to serve your banana walnut oat protein muffins. You can double the amount of ingredients in this recipe to make even more muffins for a larger crowd, or divide the amount in half if you want fewer muffins. Again, very ripe bananas are the key here since we're not adding any sugar. If your bananas aren't really ripe, then add about a tablespoon or 2 of honey or maple syrup. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.